My question is this. We've got the Federal Equal Pay Act of 1963 prohibits employers from discriminating on the basis of sex. You've got Title VII of the Civil Rights Act of 1964 prohibits wage discrimination on the basis of race, color, sex, religion, or national origin. We've got Chapter 328 of the laws of 1980 in New York State codifying the Equal Pay Act protections into New York State law. And we've got Section 296 of the executive law that makes it unlawful discriminatory practice to discriminate against an individual in compensation or in terms, conditions, or privileges of employment on the basis of age, race, creed, color, national origin, sexual orientation, military status, sex, disability, predisposing genetic characteristics, marital status, or domestic violence victim status. Now, my question to you, Mr. Hastie, is what in your law is, what loophole in the 4 laws that I've just stated regarding fair pay what loophole are you trying to close in your bill that isn't already covered in these 4 laws, both national and state?
The fact that you laid out every existing law that we have that supposedly covers this type of discrimination, the fact that the discrimination still occurs is the reason why we're trying to move forward with this legislation.
So wouldn't you say that it would be more important that we enforce the laws that currently exist rather than add on yet another layer of a law that we already have in this land and state that we're obviously not enforcing by what you just said?
Well, presently, you also have to, in order for you to prove this, right now you have to prove that it is substantially equal, which is a very high burden to prove.
Thank you. On the bill?
On the bill, Mr. Katz.
As I've just stated, you've got 4 laws, national and state, covering fair pay and covering every possible permutation of that, I might add. This is once again an issue of we are not enforcing existing laws. All 4 of these cover every single area that these bills that I've listened to today cover. But yet you want yet another bill that, okay, why don't we try for once enforcing the existing laws we have? Here they are. By your own admission, you're saying these aren't being enforced. How about enforcing existing laws? Thank you.